First, you have to fold the paper into a two part, and then again you have to fold the paper in the middle line. You can see that there will be a middle line, so you can fold there. Again, you have to open the paper and you have to fold there. You have to repeat what you have done in the left side, you have to repeat it in the right side, and you have to fold it like this. And you have to again fold it in a triangle shape in the end of the paper, and again you have to fold it in the triangle shape, and a small triangle shape you have to fold in this end of the paper. Again you have to fold it in a triangle shape, and it should be folded into a rectangle shape, and it should be a shape in a sharp side. The same step should be repeated in the right side also. We have to fold the paper in a triangle shape, and again we have to fold the paper in a triangle shape, and in this side we have to fold it in a small triangle. We have to repeat it in the right side. You have to fold it like this. It should be in the shape of a rocket. At the one side it should be a sharp side, and the next side it should be flat. And you should fold it like this, and you should open it. When you open, you will get the bottom of the boat, and we are going to do a glass in the boat. We got a boat bottom, superb. We are ready to do the top of the boat. You have to cut the paper, and it should be in a square shape, and then you have to fold it in a rectangle shape, and it should be in a triangle shape. After that, you should fold it in a triangle shape, and then you have to check it is fixing in that. It should be correctly fitted. Then you should cut the end of this side, and you will get a shape like this. When you get the shape like this, you can apply glue and you can fix it in that. After applying glue, you can paste it in the bottom of the boat, what we done in the first. And then you have to, after that, you will get a simple boat. And then we have to cut a paper in a rectangle shape, and we have to cut the paper. We have to check that. We have to check whether it is fixing in the top of the boat. It is not fixing, you can cut it and you can paste in the top of the boat. When you got a perfect shape, you can fix it. It should be like a glass in the boat, like mirror. In some boats we will have like a mirror, so we have to fix it like that. Okay guys, thank you for watching our video.